and so when I let it go back to the, because I ended up letting it go. Wasn't no skin off my back. I was still paying it until I didn't want to pay it anymore. And when I let it go, nothing on my credit, right? Because it was already included in the bankruptcy. So reestablishing after you could have a 700 credit score damn near within 12 months of filing bankruptcy if you reestablish correctly. And I talk about it in the Grow Your Money Club, growyourmoney.club. What's the next slide? Okay. Experian reports that individuals who successfully complete their bankruptcy repayment plan see an average increase in their credit score of 100 plus points within the first year of starting their recovery plan. That's true. Yeah. So all you gotta do is make sure you just restart. You got to get financially independent. The National Endowment for Financial Education reports that individuals who seek financial education after a bankruptcy setback are 35% more likely to rebuild their financial security successfully.
Grow Your Money Club.
And a Bureau of Labor Statistics report found that those who experience long-term unemployment can see a significant dip in their standard of living, which never fully recover financially after 5 plus years on the job. And know this, if you file bankruptcy, guys, they do make you go through a financial literacy training to make sure that you don't get back into that same trouble again. So a lot of people are ashamed to file bankruptcy. Just like you said, Dr. Charm, it's a business decision. After they talk to me, they get it. They run down to the courthouse. Because when I tell you, when I went up in there, the sky was gloomy. The clouds was gray. When I came out that mug, I was floating. The sun was shining. The birds were. You mean to tell me I ain't got to worry about another phone call, another letter, nobody threatening my ass? Because y'all, I've had bankruptcies, foreclosures, short sales. I've been homeless, I've been there. So I understand hardships, and it's okay because you can recover from it. And that's what I want to tell you today, is that you can recover from it. But
debt is slavery, and I don't think people realize that. And I remember I've only gone to Africa once, and that was like 25 years ago. And I remember everybody was like, "Oh, you're from America. Can you sponsor me? Oh, your shoes are pretty. Like, oh, can I get this? I went to the Republic of Benin, and oh, y'all living so good over there. I felt like a celebrity. Like, can you sponsor me?" And I had to tell them, I'm like, if you have a little shack over here, if that's what you have, because you've got poor people in Africa, you got rich people in Africa, but I was around the people that were poor. I said, you don't understand, that's yours. But in America, everybody is in debt, and the society is set up that way. And we have to realize that it is really just it's all a holograph. It's a game, it's a holograph, and it's either you know how to manipulate this matrix or you don't.
Absolutely. But here's the thing. Debt can be good or it can be bad. And that's what I need y'all to understand as well, because the way that the wealthy use debt and the way that the poor use debt is very different. The wealthy is using debt to establish tax breaks and tax credits. That's the reason why they're not paying the same amount of money in taxes as we are, is because they're using passive income and we are using earned income, and they're using their debt as leverage for protections to hide their wealth. And so instead of them using their money, they're borrowing money, and they're using it to purchase other assets, which then gives them passive income. That's why having good credit is so extremely important. If you know how to play the game right, debt could be a good thing. But if you don't know how to play the game right, debt is a scam. It's a prison. So we have one last commercial, and then I want to go to our final thoughts.
Hey, it's Dr. Lene Javette, Brand Your Brilliance coach and vision execution strategist. I help my clients to bring their vision to life by building real strategies that work. Recently, I've helped multiple entrepreneurs to organize and write their grants. This Saturday, I'm partnering with the Fly Nubian Money Club to help you do the same.